Hey everyone, wanted to do a quick little video here. Very short actually. That's why they call it tech short. And basically, this is basically just to actually inform you to how to go ahead and bypass this little thing that Windows 11 introduced, where it basically kind of forces you to create a Microsoft account when you basically just get a new system here with Windows 11 up and running. This doesn't really apply to upgrades. If you're upgrading from Windows 10 to 11, obviously you already have an account made or some local account. I'm kind of crossing my fingers that if you do have a local account in Windows 10, it doesn't force you to create a new one in Windows 11. That would really just suck. But it definitely did catch a lot of people's attention when just proceeding with the installation here. It just forces you just to connect to a network connection, Wi-Fi or network, just to create an account. And I actually did run into that on just basically installing Windows 11 on a tablet, a Surface tablet. Not too surprised there. So here we have just a computer with a fresh installation of Windows 11. I'm going to go ahead and just continue here, give you that example here. Now, sometimes it's completely random when this actually happens. And if it doesn't happen here, I'll definitely demonstrate it to you and just let you know the quick little method to bypass it. Previously, before, you used to just be able to just hit Alt F4 and it just basically closes this window out and you'll be allowed to continue. Microsoft has then removed that little bypass here. This is where you would normally get stuck, where it would actually ask you to connect to a network. And this little option here does not appear. Now, I've seen that already myself as well too. I guess it really just depends on the device. If the Windows 11 installation already recognizes your device and does not ask you to enter a product key or serial number, this option may actually just disappear. Since this is actually a custom built computer, maybe this is a reason why it's just not showing up, who knows. Whatever the reason is, let's pretend this little option is not here and now you're forced to connect to some network connection, whether wired or wireless, and you basically have absolutely no option to continue. You would actually hit Alt F4 here, but I already said earlier that a little workaround has been removed. So what do? Well, the new option is to actually go ahead and turn off the task that's forcing you to actually do this. So let's go ahead and hit the combination keys of Shift F10. You'll see good old command prompt come up here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the task manager just by typing in this little over here, task mgr. And I'm just going to hit enter. You'll see good old task manager appear up here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little more details here, which is obviously much more familiar to us all. And scroll down on the bottom of background processes. Don't actually confuse it with this one. If you kill this one, it'll just basically restart the entire Windows 11 installation. Basically with a little logo comes up and asks you to select the language and keyboard. Not a big loss, but that's not what we're looking for. The one we're looking for is network connection flow right over here. All right, so assuming that the installation is actually preventing you from continuing until you connect to a network and create your Microsoft account, go ahead and end this task here. Once ended, we're going to go ahead and minimize this, minimize command prompt, and now you'll see that the whole network connection hoo-ha is now gone, and it's just basically asking you to go ahead and enter a name and of course a password. So we can just go ahead and continue from here. Click on next, and you'll see now this is obviously very familiar. I'm not going to put a password. Turn off all these freaky little things here. And yes, you'll be allowed to continue your installation once you click on accept. So little tidbit there. If obviously you have been using basically the demos of Windows 11 prior to the official release in October, you'll see that this little Alt F4 option has been removed, and this is actually the more updated way and workaround to get this going, get Windows 11 up and running without actually being forced to create a Microsoft account. I really don't have anything against creating one, it's just my personal preference not to. I like to keep my accounts local, and I really do not rely on any cloud services, so I don't need all my documents saved in OneDrive or any other cloud service for the most part. So that's just a personal preference. If you do have a Microsoft account, by all means, feel free to log in. You definitely do have the benefits of having the account and using it in Windows 10 and now Windows 11. So this is for people who prefer actually to keep a local account going and definitely want to have that option in their new operating system. And of course, I'm all about choice, so I definitely don't blame them. Anyway, hope you found this quick short video here useful. A little workaround there for you. Just thought I'd go ahead and share it with everybody. Thanks again for watching. As always, stay safe, everyone.